All right, so the game changes for dropshipping are this. Kmart, this example, they're called dynamic websites. A dynamic website is a website that shows whether or not items are in stock. So we only buy off suppliers which show items in stock. Now, sites in the old days for many companies was last year. They didn't show if items were in stock. Kmart does, as an example. They have add to bag. That only shows up if it's in stock. When it's not in stock, it disappears. Dynamic website. So one of the criteria I'm going to get to tonight is we only buy from suppliers. Now, more and more companies these days, suppliers, are using dynamic websites. Another thing, you can use programs like Scarcity Manager, where you take the URL, those, just I'm sure someone here doesn't know what a URL is. If you're in Kmart.com, you'll have a URL. So Kmart.com / I don't know, maybe three room dome tent. That'll be the URL. You just paste that URL here in the Scarcity Manager, and it continually checks Kmart if it's got stock. If it runs out of that dome tent, it then goes to eBay and makes your listing 0. Right? 2016, that was not available.
Sorry, what is this? This is the
Software.
virtual.
You can use
online or you
online. It's that software, scarcitymanager.com.
Is that one of your businesses?
What's that?
Scarcity
Yes, it is. You can also use VAs to do it. There's also other programs out there that can do it. We made this available because everybody wanted it. So we were using it in-house and we didn't tell anyone about it, and we found out that what we did, and so I said, okay, we'll make it available. But there's, you can do VAs as well. You can pay a VA to just check your inventory.